How to set up and properly execute the high bar squat. To begin, place the barbell on top of your traps at the base of your neck. Stand with your feet hip width to shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly out. Take a deep breath and engage your core. Initiate the squat by rotating your hips back and bending at the knees. Keep your chest out and your eyes forward as you squat down. Then extend your knees and drive your hips forward to return to the starting position. Exhale at the top, then inhale and repeat the movement. During the high bar squat, ensure that your knees move over your toes and your hips drop almost straight down. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or lower. Keep your torso relatively upright and tuck your elbows at your sides. This knee-dominant high bar technique emphasizes the quads, and the body mechanics translate well to Olympic lifts and athletics. On the other hand, powerlifters often prefer the low bar squat for engaging the glutes and hamstrings to maximize strength. Nevertheless, the high bar squat is excellent for bodybuilding and overall fitness.